I've heard that you're quite adventurous as your character as well, and that you did some of your own stunts. Is
All
that
of
true?
my own stunts, actually.
All of your own stunts?
Yeah.
Tell me about that. What did you get to do?
Everything. It was so much fun. I got to do everything from climbing trees to like running through the jungle at top speed with a big suitcase in my hand, to fighting with Sawyer, physically doing, you know, punching and headbutting, and to gun slinging scenes, to car crash scenes, and doing stunt driving, and it was a blast. The days that I got to do stunt work were the days that flew by. It was like I would get there in the morning, and by the time they said, okay, the day's over, it's a wrap, I was like, really? That's it? Can we do more?
Was there something that you weren't allowed to do? That you
There
wanted
was
to do?
one thing. There was actually, yeah, there were a few things. There's one thing. There were a few things they said you're not allowed to, and I said, tough luck, I'm doing them anyway. But one of the things that I wasn't allowed to do in the car stunt sequences, I was able to do the stunt driving, but they wouldn't allow me to do the crash. They wouldn't actually allow me to smash the car into another vehicle with me in it.
Good thing, I would
Yeah,
say.
I understood the reasoning behind that. And then also there was the odd time when they needed to film me doing things close up while they needed a far away scene of the stunt. And then they would bring in a stunt woman because they were filming me at the same time doing something, and they were filming my face. And then they had to film her from far, far away. But it was always coverage for a scene. I would do this. I would do the stunt, and then she would come in, and they'd do a far away shot of the same stunt. So
Did you ever get hurt?
All the time.
All the time.
But nothing severe. I never broke any bones. I had scrapes and bruises, and twisted this and bumped that. But that's okay. That was part of the acting.